Hey guys, I just wanted to go over some sequences, some vocabulary, and understanding how to manipulate some of the variables. So first with sequences, this is both for arithmetic and geometric. We'll talk about them later. The n value represents the position in a set. So if you look down here in example 1, 1 means the first number. So the nth number, in this case 1, a sub n represents the answer at that position. So in position 1, the answer is 17. In position 3, the answer is 27. In position 5, we'll figure that out in a second. Well, a sub n and f of n, that actually means the same thing. It's the answer in that position. A sub n minus 1 and f of n minus 1 means the previous answer. So for example, let's say I started off with, in this example 1, a sub 3. If we looked at this table and looked at the third solution, the answer would be 27. But if I said, what is a sub 3 minus 1, I'm looking for the previous answer, which would be the a sub 2 value. In this case, it would be 22. So just learning the terminology is very important. Let's give you another example. Down here in example 2. F of n represents any solution based on the nth value. So if I want to know what is f of 4, you would just simply look at the table. The answer when the n value is 4 is 25. Well, if I said what's f of n minus 1, and I'm saying previous to the fourth position, that means I'm looking for the answer in the third position. And the answer in the third position in this case would be 18. It's that simple. So what we're going to talk about is how this vocabulary is useful. Now I also skipped this one, f of n plus 1, a of n plus 1 and f of n plus 1. That's the answer after the subject I'm talking about. So again, in this example here, if I said a sub 3 equals 27, well, a sub 3 plus 1 means the fourth term, well, that would be 32. Now, we're looking at sequences, and basically they're just a bunch of patterns. These patterns, they're going to be determined by how it's changing from the first position, second position, third position, so on and so forth. So if you notice, here's 17, here's 22, 27, 32. Well, what's the pattern? It's changing by a certain amount. Well, in this case, it's plus 5. So if I continued this pattern all the way through, the fifth spot would be 32 plus 5, which is 37. Now, using the same kind of basic setup, except I changed the way the table looks, n and f of n. Again, first position is 4 in this example. Second position is 11. Third position is 18. So you'll notice the pattern change is increasing by 7. So if that continues all the way through, when we add 7 to 25, the fifth value will be 32. That's it.